This Trust Wallet token price prediction 2022 video depends on specialized examination alone. Underneath, you will see the key estimates that we have thought about after concocting our TWT value examination and forecast. The digital money market has begun to flood once more. There are numerous virtual resources that flooded to another untouched high during the new 2021 bull run. Conversely, a few computerized resources had shown a downtrend too. Thus, numerous computerized resource financial backers and dealers are confounded about whether the time has come to hold or sell the computerized resource at a decent cost. This is a similar case for TWT. Its cost expanded by around 172.3% in the beyond 1 year. By the by, the crypto market is uniting recently, and most advanced resources are losing their past benefits. Is the situation the equivalent with TWT cost? We'll figure out in practically no time in this TWT cost examination 2022 video. On the whole, we should have a speedy foundation on what TWT is. What is a Trust Wallet token, TWT? Trust Wallet token, TWT, is a BEP20 utility symbolic that offers advantages and motivating forces to clients. Besides, Trust Wallet is a versatile-based computerized resource wallet that upgrades numerous renowned local resources, notwithstanding famous tokens on the Ethereum, Binance, and Tron blockchain. TWT token holders open many advantages of utilizing a Trust Wallet, including limits in application crypto resources buys and using DEX administrations. Additionally, the TWT holders can likewise be associated with the administration of the Trust Wallet. It could decide on the proposed update of the Trust Wallet in any case, assisting with molding the advancement of the application. At first, the Trust Wallet token is sent off as a BEP2 resource on Binance chain. In October 2020, it is relaunched as a BEP20 token on Binance Smart Chain. Since we have a thought regarding TWT, do you figure TWT will be productive crypto in 2022? Go along with me and let us see the diagrams in this TWT cost examination and TWT cost forecast. Trust Wallet token, TWT, current market status. Trust Wallet token is one of the most conspicuous crypto resources in the market today. As a matter of fact, crypto had the option to record a colossal development pace of more than 9.9% in the beyond 14 days. Hence, TWT has become one of the most discussed advanced resources in the crypto world. As far as its market standing, crypto stands itself as one of the most forceful digital forms of money in CoinGecko. Subsequently, TWT cost exchanges at $0.8648 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,451,849. Since you as of now have a thought regarding what Trust Wallet token cryptographic money is, do you suppose Trust Wallet token is a wise speculation this year? In the event that you are prepared to be aware, come let us actually look at together this Trust Wallet token value expectation and cost examination video. Trust Wallet token, TWT, price analysis 2022. As of now, in easier terms, the cost of TWT could plunge to nearly $0.4493, a negative sign. In the interim, our drawn-out TWT cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. Strikingly, it is plausible of outperforming its ongoing all-time high, at about $1.65, that was accomplished on September 5, 2021, as per CoinMarketCap this year. Additionally, TWT can arrive at new highs provided that it breaks numerous past mental protections. In the event that TWT's bullish pattern proceeds, TWT will reach $1.3580 toward the finish of 2022. In addition, in July 2022, TWT will show quick development up to $0.9387. Then, at that point, this ascent will diminish, however no significant falls are normal. With impending associations and advancements coming to $2, is very hopeful in the sticker cost of view, however without a doubt possible for the not-so-distant future. This demonstrates that TWT has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, Price Prediction 2023. In the event that Trust Wallet Token, TWT, holds the help level around 200 MA, which is the drawn-out moving normal, purchasers will then have TWT time and steadiness to fashion the following assault mission on the crucial level at $5, making it not dive yet play in every case. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, Price Prediction 2024. According to the most recent redesigns, advancements, Trust Wallet Token, TWT, cost expectation, and new venture conjectures of the stage, TWT financial backers could expect numerous associations and incorporations around 2024. Also, this could support the cost of TWT in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation as the cost can spike and stretch around $10. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, Price Prediction 2025. In the following 3 years, Trust Wallet Token, TWT, costs could race up to $15. In any case, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for TWT as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that TWT has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 3 years according to the forecast. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, Price Prediction 2026. According to the most recent redesigns, advancements, Trust Wallet Token, TWT, cost forecast, and new undertaking figures of the stage, TWT financial backers could expect numerous associations and reconciliations around 2026. In addition, this could support the cost of TWT in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation as the cost can spike and stretch around $20. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, Price Prediction 2027. In the following 5 years, Trust Wallet Token, TWT, costs could race up to $30. Be that as it may, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for TWT as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that TWT has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 5 years according to the expectation. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, Price Prediction 2028. According to the most recent redesigns, advancements, Trust Wallet Token, TWT, cost forecast, and new task estimates of the stage, TWT financial backers could expect numerous associations and incorporations around 2028. Also, this could help the cost